Hi guys, this is for some who are interesting about AI and robotics. So I got an idea to develop the Arduino code for ESP32 uh, cam line follower. So I used Claude AI to generate the uh, Arduino code. So after you log into Claude AI, you have to give the correct prompt to generate the code. Here, this is the prompt that I have given to generate the ESP32 cam line follower robot code. Uh, so it generates the full code and it works, but you have to change some parts in the code, like when turning the robot, it should turn smoothly. Uh, so you have to change some parts and all the libraries and everything it gives, and you have to install. If you want to change some parts in code, and you can give a prompt to change the what you want to change in the code, then it change the code and give the changed code to you. Likewise, I also have changed some parts in the code and it works very well. You can generate the code within 1 minute. Otherwise you have to think deeply, and you have to do some research regarding this, so you don't have to do any hard things to do these kind of things. These days you don't need to worry about asking from someone else, so you have to do everything through internet, and make sure you have to you have to get a good knowledge about how to write a prompt. So this is how the robot is working. It's working perfectly. uh, if not working smoothly, you have to change the code. So that's all. If you need any guidance, you can comment or ask something. So thank you.